Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a graphic eye look using simple product. This video is in collaboration with Foxy, so don't forget to check out the products on the website, and there's also Foxy app, so do check it out.
So let's get started. Now I'm using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline New York in the shade 220. I'm going to take a little product and dab it all over my face. And then I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer to conceal my dark spots and also under eye area using the same concealer. Going over the lids and under the lids too.
So right now I'm done with my base. Just a light minimum coverage. So I'm going to go with the eye look now.
So I'm using the Maybelline liquid liner to line my eyes.
So now I'm done with my liner. So I'm gonna go ahead with the graphic liner. So this liner is from Maybelline. I'm using the shade blue. So what I'm gonna do is start from here and take it along to the other side like a butterfly wing. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go and do the other. This time I'm gonna start from here. Taking thin strokes. And now I'm gonna go all the way back and reach here. So this is the look I created. It's just a simple butterfly wing. So I'm going to finish the look with a nude lipstick. So this is a simple graphic liner look which I created using Foxy product. Do check out Foxy for some amazing deals on beauty and skincare products.
So I just like the way the look turned out, and the blue looks cool and the wings were perfect. We'll see you in the next video.